Hey everyone, so this is the unboxing of the brand new Google Pixel tablet. This is the base version, 128 gigabytes of storage. And this one is going to be the Hazel Color. This was 500 bucks. And it also comes with, it's supposed to come with a really cool dock, which is probably almost what I'm most excited for about this. Try that dock. Try and get this on out. Here is the tablet. We'll come back to that in just a moment. Let's see, it looks like we have some, guess this is some paperwork and whatnot in different box there, like a cardboard box. This is probably for the dock. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be for the dock, which is right here. So looks like there's no other charger. So that's a bit interesting. Here is the dock. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was quite a bit bigger from the pictures, but it is not. It has a nice fabric on it. You can see the Google symbol right there. There's a spot for the charger. This is all like rubbery. So Google symbol right there. We will come back to that. Here is our actual tablet. So it is not too bad looking. Just from all the stuff that has already attached to it. Let's see. So this would be, the camera's right here. It's very, very hard to see. And this is the Hazel Color, which is pretty cool. Kind of looks like coffee hazel. Like hazelnut coffee. Something like that. There will be for the, for right here, the dock. Of course, you have a Google symbol right there. Camera right here. There is no flash. Kind of surprising. Power button, volume rocker, mics. Looks to be 2 speakers, USB Type-C, so it does not only charge their dock. That is a relief. Let's see, this is 2 little rubber bits, probably for when it's on the dock. Looks like 2 other speakers, so we'll see if this is actually quad speaker or not when we do our actual review here. So it does attach pretty strongly magnetically. You can actually lift it up. See, it is attached there. I think the rubber is just in case it does, if you don't attach it on there correctly, it might fall down on you. But it is on there nice and strong. It's also supposed to be a speaker. So when we do an actual review of this, we'll see how good that speaker is. But that is pretty cool though. Now let's go ahead and we'll do a setup here. So we're going to choose English, choose our Wi-Fi. Then you can choose to copy your apps and data from another device or from your Google account. Then you can sign into your Google account or you can skip it. For this video, because I'll mess up my video, I'm just going to skip this for now. Then you can go back in later and sign up. But of course, you want to sign into your Google account. It will get everything you can get from this tablet. Then it'll ask you if you want to use location, which is okay with me. Allow scanning, I always turn that one off. You can keep it on if you want to. Send usage and diagnostics, I'm going to keep that on. Install apps, data, and updates. Install updates and apps, if I can read. Next, it'll talk about limited warranty and safety data. Additional legal terms, which of course you have to accept in order to use this device. Then you can set a PIN if you want to. I'm going to skip it personally. Then I'll have all these apps you can download if you want to. I am going to click off of a few of these. I do not need Google Meet. I do not need Notes and Lists. I do not need Google News. See, I do not need Podcasts, and I do not need Translate. So I'm going to keep Docs as my only one. But of course, you can keep all these if you want to. All right, then I'll add, have you swipe to navigate. Which personally I like having the 3 buttons on the bottom. Then I'll have an update here like every other device. Mine is 201 megabytes. It is 0 days out of date. And for those who want to know, this is at 55%. It probably was about 50% if that when we plugged it in. That is all what was turned on. You can turn any of that off if you want to. Alright, once it does that update, should be good. And it is charging with that dock. So again, this is hooked up to the dock. This is what we get. A beautiful, maybe it's a macaw parrot. back. So of course you have all your good Google stuff here. Again, I did not go into any of the Google stuff. I did not go into my account. So until I do that, I'm not going to be able to do anything on Google, of course. Let's see, we can just remove that. Don't need that. So going to the side gives you some news. Going up gives you all of your apps. Going down from the very top gives you your quick menu. And there's really not a lot on here. See if we can add in. Okay, it does have a screen recorder, which is good. So you touch and hold and bring it on up. You can do that. Whole bunch of good stuff there. You want to do that. And so pretty much just swiping down actually from anywhere will bring that on up. And yeah, so stay tuned for a bunch of comparison videos like always. And we'll do actual review on this at some point here as well in the future. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.